Hello, everyone. Great to see you again. In our previous video, we walked you through integrating ChatGPT 4.0 with an image generating app using Appery as a no-code editor. If you missed this video, check it out in the link below. And if you love our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for updates and even more awesome tutorials. Today, we're showing you how to integrate ChatGPT 4.0 using a low-code environment. This method gives you more flexibility while still being easy to use, perfect for developers who want more control without heavy coding. Let's jump in. First things first, log into the Appery app builder if you haven't already. Create a new blank Ionic app and give it a name, something like ChatGPT 4.0 Image Generator. Indicate it's a low-code app and hit Create. Now, we've got a blank app. Let's start with creating a UI. In the projects tree on the left, go to Pages, then select Screen 1. You can name the page, for example, Image Generator. Now, in the palette, scroll down to find the text area component and drag and drop it onto the page. Then change its label to Prompt. Next, select the text area and in the Properties panel on the right, set its ngModel property to Prompt. This variable will handle sending prompts to ChatGPT for processing. Let's now go to the Code tab and initialize this variable. For this, open the Variables tab and create a new variable, prompt. Then head back to the UI. In the app, we also need a button to kick off processing your prompts. So add a button to the page. Let's name it Generate. After you enter the prompt, you'll hit this button to send the request to ChatGPT. So, in the Properties panel, define the button click event to make it trigger a function named Process. Now, you'll need a place to showcase your generated images. So, drag an image component onto the screen. Under the Styles tab on the right, set its width property to 100%. Then, in the Comment tab, add the SRC property and configure it as imgSrc. If you want to keep the image hidden until it's ready, set ngIf to imgSrc. Now we need to add a variable. So go to the Code tab and under Variables, create this variable, imgSrc. Finally, let's draft the function that will handle the image generation. For this, switch to Functions, create a function named Process, and set it as an async method. Now, input the following code. As a good practice, let's also add a loading indicator that shows up before the prompt is sent, and another one that hides once the request is complete. To finish, we need to define the OpenAI API Key, which is required to make ChatGPT work within your app. If you haven't got one, you can generate a new key on the OpenAI portal. Once you have it, return to the app builder. In the project tree, find the Settings service located under the Services folder. Enter OpenAI API Key as the name and paste the API key you generated into the Value field. That's it. Your app is now connected to ChatGPT. Click Test and wait a bit while the app is loaded. When ready, enter a prompt and press the button. You will see a loading indicator, which means ChatGPT is processing your request. And in a few seconds, you will see the generated image displayed on the screen. You can also easily test your app on a real device by using the Appery Tester tool. It is free and available for both iOS and Android. Even apps with native device features can be tested this way. Let's now ask ChatGPT to generate an image of a worm and an apple. And voila, it shows up right on your mobile screen. Congratulations! You've just built a sophisticated app using Appery as a low-code platform. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. And don't forget, you can try Appery App Builder free for 14 days. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.